Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to style a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just tap on a project that we want to work on, and then tap on the edit button, and here we have style as one of the first options. We just tap on this, and then we have a lot of styles that we can choose from. And yeah, after we have found one that we like, we can just select it, tap on OK, and it's going to be applied to our clip. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.